Hey there, this is Talhavars, and I'm basically in the Build Space Season 4 with my partner Gibran and Bilal, and we are basically making Sayyo. So I cannot even imagine the fact that we literally started from this one line. We are basically making Tinder, but for talents and recruiters. And you can just make a swipe and you can get your job, right? It is for the job seekers as well as job givers. So we literally had only this slide. This was the one line from where we started. Later on, we worked on our social medias thanks to Gibran and the team. We manage the social media in a very good form, and we've got more than 500 people in the waiting list. You can also join the waiting list, and the link is on our Twitter, right? Just after that, we basically worked on our Figma designs. So as of now, obviously we were focusing on the MVP version of our application. So this is the splash screen, and these were basically the designs, the sign up processes. And yes, this was basically the job cards in which you can pass or apply, and this is a very quick thing. So yes, this was our second phase. Third phase is that we've built our front end of the application with a little bit of functionality. I'll just show it to you. And yeah, it was an amazing thing, and our product is now at a point in which we just have to add more features and make it more good, more prominent, right? So this is basically the get started screen, which you'll get just after the splash screen. So this is the splash screen, and now you can get started. These are some buttons, these are some questions which we are asking in order to make the algorithm work in a very perfect manner and give you your exact choices, right? So these are some questions. The sign up process is a bit different. Obviously there are some things to be added, and aesthetic and cosmetical changes are to be done more, but this is the basic form which you guys have to fill in. And once you are done with it, you can then click next. What is your expected salary and the payment mode, like the currency. Then you can click next, continue with your email. Obviously this is a functionality which we'll do. You have to put in your LinkedIn URL here. So let's suppose I put 12 hours, and when you click next, you are all set, and this is the first job page. So this is basically a very quick way in which you can get all the job details, like the location, the level, the job, like whatever the salary you will be getting, a bit about the company, so you can pass or apply, right? As of now, I don't want to work in the RAS. I'm just passing it out, and this is a TikTok's job, artist partnerships. Okay, so I really like this job, but let me see some else jobs as well. So this is Spotify. No, I guess TikTok was better for me, and boom, I applied. And you get onto this page. Obviously we are working on to more and more functionalities in order to make this process more seamless, more efficient, and more out of the box, right? Thank you for your time, and Build Space was very good adventure for us in order to get even here. And yes, on to our next targets. We will be targeting different stuff like making it more user friendly, adding features, onboarding companies, and actually telling you guys some real life success stories out of Sayo. Thank you. It was an amazing time here.